Sanbalan, welcome back to any video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you very much. Please kindly subscribe, like the video, or share the video as well. So kule video etrendayo kasisi kuthiwa ke uThandeka. So uThandeka kuthiwa ke uzalwa uma wala eMzansi and then ubaba waseNigeria. So it looks like uThandeka wathathwa ubaba wakhe ongwaseNigeria wayemshiya le kwele Nigeria, wamshiya no stepmother according to how I understand. Wamshiya no stepmother wakhe, wajika yena ubaba kaThandeka weza wazophila eMzansi, wathatha uThandeka wayemshiya nonkosikazi wakhe waseNigeria. uThandeka ebezalwa uma wala eSouth Africa umZulu, bathi ubantabile Xaba, because uthe uma wakuThabile Xaba yena unguThandeka, something like that. So ngizwile le video ngase ngiya online ngiyidinga, bengizwe ngomunye usisi emphila naye athi kule intombazane yaseNigeria kuthiwa ingiyala izalwa ngumawala, kodwa ngathi she is stranded eNigeria and she is pleading for help ukuthi akawuthola kanjani umndeni kama wakhe ongwakwaXaba, something like that. Ngase ngiyibona ke online itrenda. I'm gonna post girl and yeah man, kuningi bafowethu like ingane esizala nabantu ababuya from other countries, you know what I mean. Ukuvumela umuntu engwakude kangaka, mhlawumbe ungamvumelanga amthathe njengengane umntana ahambe naye kubo, afikele kubo amshiye nje with just anyone, ajike nabuye. Futhi nje mina into engidina ngobaba kaThandeka isibindi sokuthatha ingane la kubazali bo. Even I hate ukuthi mama kaThandeka washona. Okay, uThandeka obviously nabo gogo nabo mamncane nabo whatever umndeni omkhulu, right? Isibindi sakhe sokuthatha ingane from ifamily kama wakhe ahambe ayoyishiya with abantu angekho related kubo eNigeria. Just imagine, amdampe kunkosikazi wakhe le, yena ajike abuye. Like honestly, why did you leave her? Why mhlambe mangabe wayefuna ukubonisa ifamily ingane angahambanga nayo and then ajike nayo? So wafike wadrop uThandeka eNigeria, wamshiya ekhuliswa ngostepmother, yena wajika wazophila eMzansi. After that akamnakekela, akamthini, akamfonela, akamthini. What the hell? Ubhuti lo, is he sane or what? Like honestly speaking, like this is nonsense. Wathatha ingane wayidampa kunkosikazi wakhe, umntana seyakhala ukuthi uyahlupheka, ngashiya phela nomunye umalana, hey ngihlukumezekile physically and you know what, and emotion uhlukumezekile. Like I do not know how to say it. Useze wake warekhoda ama-video akhala ukuthi ucela ke ukusizwa kutholakala umndeni wakubo kaXaba, umndeni wakubo kama wakhe, since yenezalwa ngubaba ngomNigeria. Kodwa umawa, at least I'm happy ukuthi uyazi phela ukuthi uma wakhe ubani wakwabani, ungumZulu kanjani, you know. Just imagine if mhlawumbe uhambe emncane engazi. Ay inkosi yami okunye shame. But anyway, let us watch uThandeka bafethu. Isitori sakhe siyangidabukisa, kodwa I think ngathi ngike ngabona somewhere angazi kuthiwa umndeni wakhe sowuvelile, umndeni wakaXaba okuzala khona makaThandeka sowuvelile, and they are trying their best, bazama nabo ukucela usizo ukuthi kungenziwa kanjani ukuthi umntana abuyise from eNigeria. Asibuke nje uThandeka bafethu.
My name is Thandeka Xaba. My mother's name is Thandeka Xaba. My mother died in South Africa, and my dad is Nigerian, which my dad forcefully brought me back to Nigeria after my mom was buried in South Africa. She's Zulu. I was brought back without my mother's family knowing that I was going to come back. I've not seen my mother's family over how many years now? It's been over 15 to 16 years I've not gone home or traveled back home. Since I came back to Nigeria, my father abandoned me, left me with his wife here in Nigeria to be alone, and then went back to South Africa, and then he came back. I have been going through so much because my mom is not here. I don't have family. My dad's family back here has neglected me, left me. I started hustling and being on the streets at the age of 15 because my father was not there for me, which because he was already married to another woman that is a Nigerian woman. I just want to be able to go back home and see my family. It's been over 15 years to 16 years now I've seen them or I've heard from them. I'm just begging South Africa to help me. Let me be able to contact them. My father has hidden all their contacts from me. He has, even my mother's death till today, I don't even know what killed her. Even how she died, I still don't have any idea of that. And I'm still asking questions, and I just want to know more about myself back home and what happened to my mother. Life in Nigeria has been horrible because he brought me back here, left me with another person to take care of me, and I won't lie, it's been a disaster. It's been terrifying. I've been through sexual, physical abuse as a child because of no lack of parental care. No one there to guide me or protect me or be there for me. I've been treated as an outcast because my mother is not Nigerian. I've been pushed aside and left alone. As I'm talking to you now, I live in a different city. My dad doesn't talk to me, he doesn't call me. Nobody that is my family in Nigeria calls or checks up on me. I just want to go home. I want to find my family. I want to meet my family again. I don't want to die like my sisters are dying back here. I don't want to end up like a lot of my South African sisters. But I'm happy because this video went viral. I never knew this day would come. I waited for this day for years, and I am grateful to God and you all that supported me and stood by me and listened to me and heard my voice and heard a sister's voice. I don't know what to say, but thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you for just hearing my Gogo's voice, my cousins, my uncle, my cousins, and knowing that they're fine, and knowing that I was not brought to South Africa and Nigeria back, and I was not lonely, and then I didn't have anybody. But I have thousands of South Africans. I have sisters and brothers fighting for me back home. It's a big thing. I cannot wait to finish this battle. I cannot wait till I get there and see my family. And it's all thanks to everyone that put so much energy, so much without taking less from me. God bless you all. And I love you all. God bless you. Good morning, South Africa. I don't know what to say. It's morning here, so I had to make this video very early because it's quite noisy when it's like around 5-6 in the morning and I go to work. Thank you so much for everything you all have done for me. Thank you for the love, for the support, for the comments, whatever it is, both positive, negative. It was needed. Everyone has their own opinion. But the most thing I thank you all for is helping me find my mom's people. I got to find my gogo. I got to find my cousins. I got to talk to them again. I got to see my mother's face one more time. So it's something in my life, I waited for so many years to experience. I wasn't able to experience, but I thank God for Auntie Durudu that helped me, and all of you that were there, that supported, that helped a sister. I want to say thank you. God bless you. I'm working on coming back to South Africa, but right now Nigeria is a bit, please don't mind my hair, it's a bit shaky. And yes, I hope you'll help me, please, from the bottom of my heart. I don't know how to even say this. From the bottom of my heart, to help me, to help a sister to come back home. I just want to see my home one more time. Nigeria has not been home for me. I just want to come back to my place. I want to come back to my family, where I'm accepted, where I'm loved, where I'm cared for, where I have people that have waited for me for years. They waited and thought maybe I was dead. My gogo, when I heard her saying she thought maybe I was dead, or I was maybe not there anymore, it hurt me. Because why keep a child away from her grandmother, her family, for so long, and then you're not there financially, physically, emotionally for that child? But I'm happy because this video went viral. I never knew this day would come. I waited for this day for years, and I am grateful to God and you all that supported me and